Did you know that you can use your Instagram as your sales page? Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. You can actually use your Instagram profile as your sales page. So you make an ad, a Facebook ad. Actually, Facebook and Instagram are owned by the same company. It's called Meta. Before it was just called Facebook. But Facebook bought up Instagram. Now it's called Meta, and one company that covers both of them. So when you run an ad or make an ad, it's still done under Facebook's ad manager. So then you just click a button and the ad is also runs on Instagram. But anyway, you can also run this ad on Facebook as well as Instagram. But the thing is that in the ad, you can have a link that goes to your Instagram. And then when people click the link, they'll go to your Instagram profile. Hopefully they'll follow you. But the point is that they'll see some value posts on Instagram. You should have some value posts that shows your expertise and also some testimonials. You can also save these to the highlights. You can also have a highlight displaying more about who you are or your company. And then in the bio, you have a link. You can also have a link tree with several links, but I actually recommend you just have one link in the bio because I think you can have 2 links right now at least. But anyway, if you have a link tree, that gives people more options. And when you give people more options, you make it more complicated. And more people are not going to take action actually because it's getting too complicated, or they don't know what to choose, and then they just bounce away. So it's better to give people less action or less possibilities. So just have one link, or if there's space for 2, then have 2 links if you want it. That could be a link to book a call with you, or it could be a link to your store if you're selling products. Have that in your bio, and then people will be much more warmed up to you because they know more about you if they have consumed some of the content you have there on your Instagram profile. So that's how you can use your Instagram as your sales page. You can also use this for organic marketing, of course, where you just simply share your Instagram profile or you're posting on Instagram, and then if people are interested, they'll naturally go to your profile and see more about who you are. So I hope this helps. Comment below if you have any questions. Give me a like if you like it. Subscribe for more. Share it with anybody who might find it useful also. And if you're a coach or consultant looking to get more clients, then we're actually specialized in getting clients for coaches and consultants with Facebook and Instagram ads. So right now we have an offer where you only pay us when you get a paying client. So obviously we won't have this offer for long. So book a call with me to learn more about it. There's a link in the description. Also in the description we have some free downloads. There's a free Facebook ad template. If you want to run your own Facebook ads, you can follow that. There's also a free ebook, Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches and Consultants. So it's more about organic marketing. Go ahead and download that, and also join our free Facebook group, also link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.